Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery on a Mazda key from this 2015 Mazda 3. Now if your key looks like this, it will be the same process. So first off, we're going to remove the internal key part by pulling that lever down there and taking that out. Now the only tool we're going to need for this is a plastic lever. I'd recommend plastic over metal so you don't scratch the key, but if you've only got metal available, just be careful. Now I'm going to use my plastic lever to go in there and in there, and then once you've got those corners up, we can actually take the rest of the cover off. Nice and simple to do. Inside you'll see a water seal. This water seal says CR2025. That is our battery type for this key, and then we just can get that up with our fingernail and take that out, and then you'll see that there's a rubber gasket in there. Sometimes that's on the lid, and you can see the battery there as well. So this is a Maxwell battery, and again CR2025 is your battery type. Should just be able to tip it upside down and get that out. If not, just try it with your finger and you'll be able to get it out. You can use other brands, but just make sure it is CR2025. Once you've got your new battery, make sure the writing is facing out, and you pop that in like so, and then get your water seal and click that in all the way around. We can then get our cover plate, clip that in all the way around again, and then get your internal key part, lock that down, and that's our battery changed. Now obviously go ahead and check that it opens and closes the car, which this one does. And that's how easy it is to remove and replace the battery on a Mazda key from a 2015 Mazda 3. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.